Hi everyone, I'm Alyssa Laika TV Ligon and welcome to my channel. So for today's vlog, I'll be showing you about landscaping and the landscape that we made. First, we need to know about landscaping. Landscaping is a process of making a yard or other piece of land more attractive by alternating the existing design, adding ornamental features, and planting trees and shrubs.
This is the place where I decided to make a change and simple decoration of it. My cousins helped me to remove all the weeds and some rocks, and also they helped me to arrange the ornamentals and flowers that existing in my grandmother's garden. We never experienced to get tired of what we are doing because we found it so enjoyable. As an agricultural student, I am so proud to say that I can share my knowledge to them even if they are too young to know it, but I can say that they can use and spread it with others. You can explore things on your own, but don't forget that it's more fun to explore things together with your family, cousins, and loved ones. In this slide, we arrange some ornamentals and flowers that already existing in my grandmother's garden. As an agriculture student, I am so happy to influence them, train them, and motivate them to realize what is agriculture all about and what is the role of agriculture in our lives. They may be too young to know what is agriculture all about, but I'm so happy to know that they are embracing and adopting the changes of it with all of their heart. To lessen the rocks in my grandmother's garden, I decided to design it or to make deep detailed of it in the side of the pathway of the garden. I am so lucky to know that they are willing to help even if they doesn't know what it's all about. I never get tired to do this because the people surrounding me doesn't get tired to make me smile and motivate me in all things that I am doing. There's no limit of age for you to help others. If you are willing and loving on what you are doing, then you found your pure happiness in life. And I think I found mine. This is the simple landscaping that we made together with my cousins. It might be simple and not clean enough, but it made with love and happiness.
So here's a 10 must things you need to know about landscaping. If you're planning to do a landscaping, you must hear this. First, install a strong edging. It's very important to have a barriers between your lawn and your garden. Second, install a simple irrigation system. A big mistake people make is not watering enough. Get a sample or simple drip irrigation system that can be attached to a spray gut with a timer simply set the timer and it gives the plants all the water they need. 4. You need good soil. If the roots of a plant can't penetrate the soil, then it simply won't grow. If your soil is really poor quality, you may need to remove it and bring in a new soil. 5. Keep things in groups. Try to group things in 3s or 5s as a general rule. This way, from a distance, it will also look full. It's good idea to get a variety of color that will bloom at different times of the year. 6. Keep your garden colorful. Look around your yard and see what's thriving and you'll have a good idea of what plant to plant. Don't get flowers that bloom only during one season. Get a variety of colors that bloom at different times of a year. 7. Make sure there is drainage. Use soil to build up low areas of a garden so water doesn't pool in one spot. 8. Consider the amount of sunlight. When choosing plant materials, it's very important to take into consideration how much sunlight the plants will receive. Too little light and they won't thrive. Too much light, they may be burned. 9. Know your maintenance level. Decide how much you can devote to maintenance. Ask yourself if you're willing to upkeep a pool, wood, deck, or big vegetable garden. Ask a professional about the pros and cons of each project before you decide. Last, know your landscape budget. The planning stage is the most important and the actual planting should be the very last step. Landscaping can be a big investment. Research before you buy to determine what fits your budget. So, I hope nakatulong yung things you need to know about landscaping.
I just want to share my experience with voluntary clean up together with some youth in our barangay with also our SK. We do some gardening and we are planning to plant a vegetable crops.
So that's all for today's everyone. I hope you learned something about my vlog and please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for more updates and more coming videos. Bye everyone. Thank you. God bless and stay at home.